sweet, sweet friends. Happy Vlogmas Day 10. I think it's Vlogmas Day 10. I believe it's Vlogmas Day 10. Happy Vlogmas, whatever day it is. So, in today's video, I get asked so often, I kid you not, I real talk just thought I saw someone shadow move. I won't lie, that scared the shit out of me. I can't wait to watch that back. I get so many questions about my favorite healthy meals and dinners and snacks. So in today's Vlogmas video, I want to show you guys my favorite quick, healthy go-to dinner. It is so good, so satisfying, gluten-free, dairy-free, medical medium approved, I'm pretty sure, and just really good for PBB. And if you don't know what PBB is, it's Project Blissful Body, and it is all about being your best mind, body, soul, and getting your healthiest mind, body, soul. So not just about losing weight, not just about losing fat, but also really connecting to your body, connecting to your intuition, listening to your body. I typically don't eat a ton of gluten. I have nothing against gluten. It just makes me fucking constipated and bloated. So it's just hard on my body to digest. So you know what? I'm always on the hunt for a good gluten-free pasta, and I finally found one. So I'm drinking my rose and detox tea currently, which I have every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day. And then I'm currently boiling my water. So we're boiling our water, and I got out my noodles. These are the best gluten-free noodles you will ever use in your life. This brand is honestly game-changing, such a life changer. This is the best gluten-free pasta I've ever had, and the problem is with the Bonza pasta, it really upsets my stomach, you guys. Like, do you get what I'm implying? And we are going to also use the Trader Joe's vegan kale and walnut pesto. Stuff so good. And I have some cherry tomatoes that I'm going to use up. Most of the time I would like slow roast these as I do. I would normally slow roast these, but baby's hungry right now, so I'm just gonna cook them up in a pan. But let's get to cooking. And the first thing I'm gonna do is chop some of these bad boys up. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll leave these ones whole. I normally cut them in half, but what do I want to do? I'm going to salt lay water. Lots of salt. And then I am just going to take my pasta. I do not weigh my food typically, and I don't even really pay attention to how much I add because leftovers are a form of self-care. Then I just let that cook for like 10 minutes and it tastes like real pasta. And the ingredient that I forgot to mention is organic frozen broccoli. A lot of the times I would just use fresh broccoli or fresh zucchini, or I really like adding zucchini, broccoli. There's something else I normally add to it, mushrooms and asparagus, but right now because I'm about to go on that trip, I don't have a ton of groceries, so I'm just using organic frozen broccoli, and when the pasta just has a couple minutes left, I'm going to throw the broccoli on top. That way it cooks with the pasta and it gets drained with the pasta. Super easy, don't have to dirty another dish. I think my package is here. I think my package is here. Report, report, report. 222, that's my number right now if you don't know. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that that is my chosen sign of 2020. You guys, I think my package is fucking here, finally. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I even got this package in yesterday. Got a new ring light that has a travel bag. Got my new camera, and I actually bought it in like a big kit. I always find like that's worth so much more money. Or, you know what I'm saying? Wait. Thank you so much. Have a great night.
Thank you. I would get caught up.
Have a good night. I literally thought he said something about Fiverr, and I was like, huh? Okay, I've been waiting on this package for so long. But basically, yes, we throw in the broccoli, throwing the broccoli in the boiling water with the pasta, because then you save on dishes and it's so much easier and quicker. We love easy and quick. Love easy and quick. Okay, so my Forever 21 order finally came that Liz and I have been waiting forever for. I drained the pasta. Now I'm heating the pan back up so I can cook the tomatoes in it. She's drained, she's thriving. We have Liz on the FaceTime. We are going to do a haul for her as we cook the cherry tomatoes. I'm going to add a little drizzle of olive oil into the pan. Throw the cherry tomatoes in, low and slow for like 10-20 minutes. I don't know, that's not low or slow. But we're going to just let them blister and pop while we do a little holesy. Not to be confused with the artist. Your mushroom sauce looks so good. Did you make it or did you like buy it?
No, it's from a jar.
Okay, great. So yes, we're going to do this and I might even do a haul for you guys. Is it really delish?
Okay, let me see. I think it's like from the Sprouts. I think it's like a Sprouts store brand.
A Sprouts store brand, she says.
Organic mushroom.
Okay. Ooh, that looks so good. Wait, Liz, I'm so happy you're here. So when cherry tomatoes are like a little wrinkly like this, like they're not moldy. They're just on their way out.
Yeah, I typically usually just still cook them.
Okay.
Yeah.
As long as I won't die.
Yeah.
You're like, Marissa, you could not have been more dramatic. Wow, I really thought that would sizzle. Thought the pan was much hotter. Should I first show you the jacket that is amazing that you sent back? We could have been twinsies at Abraham Hicks, February 22nd, 2020. Joke is on you. It's gonna be like blazing hot and humid. And I'm gonna be like, I'm wearing the jacket. This is so cute. I'm here for this. Like, I'm like, oh my God, that's so cute. Like, oh my God, hey. Don't I look like Kate Hudson from that movie Almost Famous? Right? Doesn't this totally look like that jacket? I thought this had pockets, but I guess, wait, what's this? Is the pocket back here? Oh my God, wait, the pocket's so far back. I'll take it, whatever. Liz, you returned it. You get no opinions. You lost your right. You lost your right to the opinion.
The seam was poking my arms.
No, I totally understand what you're saying, but thank God I live in, you know, the fucking tundra, so long sleeves all the way, honey. But then I got the You Are More Than Enough t-shirt. Oh, I have plans for her. I was about to kick my foot out, but there's a counter. I have plans for her. She is not even ready. Love her, okay. Oh my God, I hear the cherry tomatoes are going. Finally, Liz, what I've been waiting for, these joggers are so soft, it literally feels like a sin. Really excited. These aren't as soft, but like way cuter. So like, what a sick joke that is. Well, hopefully the second order comes in. I'm just mixing my pasta with the cooked tomatoes, the broccoli. Now we're gonna add, Liz, do you like this Trader Joe's pesto? Great. Right now you're feeling very sans pesto? Sans pesto? No pesto? I do use it. I use a lot of it because I feel like whenever I'm cooking, I'm making leftovers. And whatever the leftovers are, I add a ton of veggies to, so then it has like the extra sauce, you know? Let that cook for a little bit. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. So good for digestion, so good for our skin. Ooh. Liz, look at this pasta. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, babes, so this is the final product, and then I still have lots left over for lunch and dinner tomorrow if I want it, and then I'll probably have a second helping also. it's so nice when you're eating like mainly plants, good things for your digestion and your body. Like, eat until you're full. Do not like try and starve yourself, anything like that. Project Blissful Body is, yes, about fat loss and, you know, getting into our best shape, but it's also about listening to and honoring your body. And all of these things are so good and nourishing for your body. If you eat cheese, you could put a little cheese on this. You could put nutritional yeast. I'm just gonna eat it as is. I really like it, just the tomatoes and everything. I think it's so delish. This is my current go-to quick healthy dinner. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and definitely let me know if you try it out. It is so simple, so easy, so quick. I can't even call it a recipe. It is just the simplest. So that is how I like to eat recently, simple and quick. So I love you babes so much, and I'm gonna go enjoy my din din.